Here I'm going to demonstrate fuzzy matching using the merge function to compare addresses between our customers and our salespeople. I'll select merge sheets. I'll select salespeople as the secondary. I will then select the address as the column that we'd like to merge by. I will choose the columns I want to bring in from the first sheet and the columns that I'd like to bring in from the second sheet, and then I'm going to check the fuzzy matching option. The matching method we use is called distance matching, and that means how many keystrokes does it take if you were using a text editor to turn one of the addresses, in this case, into the other. If it took zero keystrokes, that means the addresses are identical. If it took one keystroke, then that means the addresses are off by one. Keystrokes also include things like the delete or the backspace key. So here we can control what is output. So we'll say take anything that's identical all the way up to a difference of 7 keystrokes. The larger the difference, the less likely these two addresses will be the same. Also, to control the number of false positives, just show me the top 5 matches for each combination. Once we've entered the parameters, click Finished, and the results are produced. Here we list the addresses from the customers and the addresses from the salespeople, along with the difference. The difference being the number of keystrokes difference between the two addresses. So here we can see that the difference between these two addresses is 2 keystrokes. As you can see, it's just the number on the address that differs here. If we're interested, we can then look and see who the customer is and who the salesperson is. And as we go through, we see here's one where we have a difference of 3, and the difference is, of course, it is abbreviated PL here as opposed to place there, and we find out that the contact name is P. Townsend and the salesperson is Peter Townsend. So this gives us some kind of reason to believe that these two people might be the same, and we might have a customer who is also a salesperson.